Coffee grind sizes. The relationship between coffee grounds and over/under extracted coffee. Avoiding under and over extraction is actually the whole reason we use different grind sizes for different coffee makers. Under extraction, your grounds are too coarse. This is when you have not extracted enough flavor out of your ground coffee. Over extraction. Your grounds are too fine. This is when you have extracted too much flavor out of your coffee and it becomes overpowering and unpleasant. What does poorly extracted coffee taste like? If the extracted coffee is under-extracted, it will taste sour, acidic, and/or salty. On the other hand, over-extracted coffee will taste bitter and/or hollow. Blade and burr grinders. The key of brewing a great coffee is consistency. And if your little grinds are not all the same size, some will be over-extracted, and some will be under-extracted, and the result will be bad coffee. Aside from a clear lack of consistency, blade coffee grinders have another pitfall. They can only work by spinning extremely fast, which causes heat and friction. The heat and friction means your coffee is already heating up, so it won't taste as fresh and the end result will be overcooked. Brewing for espresso? It's even more critical that your grinds are uniform or consistent. If you use something like blade grinder, here's what is likely to happen. All the coffee grind sizes numbers you ever need. The following 7 grind size are all you'll need to brew great cups of coffee with a range of different coffee brewing methods. You cannot just choose one grind and use it for anything. Used grinds are best suited for certain coffee makers. The grind sizes are extra coarse, coarse, medium coarse, medium, medium fine, fine, and extra fine. Number 1. Extra coarse grind. As large as you can go on most popular conical buff grinders, similar to ground peppercorns. 2. Coarse grind. If you brew with the French press, you should know your coarse grind. It should look similar to sea salt. Number 3. Medium coarse grind. Not quite medium but not quite coarse. Similar looking to a coarse or rough sand. 4. Medium grind. The happy medium of grind sizes, a great starting point for testing your grounds. Similar to the consistency of regular sand. 5. Medium fine grind. Medium fine coffee grind size. It's finer than sand, but not as fine as an espresso grind. 6. Fine grind. The most common grind size you'll come across. When you buy pre-ground coffee, it's usually a fine grind size unless otherwise stated. In terms of consistency, it's a little finer than the table salt. Extra fine grind or Turkish grind. You'll rarely use an extra fine grind and you need a Turkish coffee grinder to achieve a fine and consistent grind like this. It's similar to flour or powder in texture.